Hi guys, you are most welcome ev.1.com websites. Here you can collect all latest electric vehicles like electric cars and latest electric upcoming electric bikes and latest upcoming electric scooters and latest upcoming electric bicycle. So you are most welcome in ev.1.com. So guys, if you go to my website, you can reach with Google. You type in Google ev.1.com and enter. You can see my website dashboard, and here you can see my website homepage, and here is all type electric vehicles like latest electric car, electric bikes, and much more. And if you get latest post informations, you can see here. So here you can see Montra Eviator electric truck, motor power, battery power, top speed range. So today I am talking about this upcoming Montra Eviator electric mini pickup truck. So this electric pickup is very useful in India and other Asian country. And if you are interested in this electric Montra Aviator electric pickup truck, all informations you can visit here, and you can get all informations like electric Montera Aviator's pickup truck motor power performance. Here you can see this electric pickup truck provides you like very significant motors, 42 43.2 kilowatt battery power capacity, and this electric pickup truck provide permanent magnet synchronous motor. Company not reveal this electric pickup truck electric motors fixed capacity power, but here you can see here is 80 kilowatt electric motors power provide to company who can give 300 nm torque power. If you can see here's this electric pickup truck top speed and range. This electric pickup truck provide you 380 kilowatt power जो this Montra Eviator electric pickup truck provides 80 kilometer prati hours top speed and give 100 kilometer uh, per hour top speed when this is empty. And when this electric pickup to battery fully charged, this electric upcoming pickup truck provide you 245 kilometer to 280 kilometer range. And here is all in specification feature. Here you can see my all friends, you can visit my website and get latest all informations about this electric upcoming pickup truck. If we if we can talk about this electric pickup truck cost price, this electric pickup truck coming with 16.29 lakh to 17 lakhs approximately. So you can purchase this electric pickup in 2025 and 2026. So if you are most curious and get all informations about this electric pickup truck, so you can visit my websites and follow my channel and subscribe my channels, my all friends. Thank you so much. Coming with next video. So Jai Hind.